I would say this is the intro, but it's like 11 p.m. and we're done editing the video. So we're going to head to Flint Hills Lanes in Emporia, Kansas.
We'll see you there.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
We're there.
And we're there.
But he told me it was 37 feet. So we're gonna throw purple.
We have a rule on this channel. If the pattern starts with a 3, we throw urethane, and that's it.
Looking to get his first double of this game. Can he do it? Man, I love being right.
lost the hang of things. Game one was okay, just left a million tendons. Tried to create some ball reaction and it didn't work. And I should have switched to reactive like 5 frames earlier, but I tried to stick to the channel motto of urethane on patterns that start with 3. Yeah, urethane only on patterns that start with 3. I've been working on it though. I've been working on the reactive game, so we'll see how it is.
Well, I'm throwing purple, and I'm striking, so
yeah,
I'm keeping the model strong still, so.
Yeah, one of us had to.
Yeah, what did you shoot, 2-0, 2-0?
2-0, 2 teens, so I'm like plus 10. Maybe
Shot
like 15.
240, 270.
He's plus 120. Yeah.
Holding
consistency.
This man up.
It's all about consistency.
Only throw so many 8-baggers.
You can only leave so many 10 pins. And cut to 10 pin.
The most awkward balk I've ever seen in my life.
I need them all. Kevin and I were both crying because we both missed the ladder, and there's Kevin over there. So Kevin's bowling Spencer round 1 top 4. I think he's going to shoot 250 and lose. That's my prediction. I hope he doesn't, but 250, he's going to lose by 10. You have 258? Did you say 258 or 215? 215 winner. 105. This isn't game 6. All right. Good luck, Kev. We love 10 pins here.
Love it.
Well, just like the beginning of the video, we're still in the same spot. And we're back. I didn't bowl that great. Kevin bowled really good. He finished like 3rd. I finished like 6th. I just needed to be focused a little better, and Kevin needed to
not shoot 140 to lose a 70-pin lead and barely make the show, and then lose in the semifinals. That's okay, bowling.
That's why there's tomorrow.
That's why we gotta keep our undefeated streak, Packy. We're 100% when we bowl together.
Doubles tomorrow, handicap, house shot, and I get 20 a game. Let's go.
That is so not true.
But I wish I got 20 a game.
Let's get it!